Let me just bring those sheets which you have doubt in.
What are we going to do today?
Firstly, I'll just solve your doubt, and then we'll be going with proportion, and then we'll be going with perhaps non-verbal and English.
3 subjects.
Perhaps I said it depends. Yes. So firstly, let me go with your doubt. Give me a moment. I'm just bringing. Mhm. How you got that flower?
It's from like the background. Um, S.
You like you like that flower? Hmm?
I like the pizza as well.
You like pizza. Okay, so here we are having the question.
And computer English. Uh,
Having fun.
where's that?
You are an explorer. I do not know that much setting. Okay, so here you can see this.
No, because it's not the right way. And can I have the pen?
Wait. Mm, Let me just, if it can be rotated. How to rotate this? No, this has been shared in the same way. Okay, no problem. We'll be writing the question.
Maybe if you give me the pen, I'll show you what you can do.
Yes, wait. Yeah, you got the
But
access.
try pressing that with the
Hmm.
3 dots.
So, question number 17, I guess you have doubt in, right?
Yeah. Can you try pressing that? What happens? See if you can rotate it now somewhere.
Hmm. Let it be if it is not being rotated. Yes, rotate.
Yeah. Oh,
We did it.
yeah.
Finally,
50%, I did
victory.
50%. Well, it's
Yeah,
better than how it was like
no problem.
that. Okay.
So here we are. So you are having doubt in the 17th, right?
Yeah.
So what doubt you are having? 1 kg is equal to how much, you know?
100 grams.
No, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So
Can
this
you
is 5 kg.
not give me
5.
the pen and then give me the pen again?
I shall give you the pen again.
No, can you do do something that doesn't let me use the pen and then give me the pen again?
Yeah. I did not give you pen, and I'm. Are you able to get the pen again,
No,
Prisha?
I'm not able to get the pen.
Wait. Yes, I gave you the pen.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Just see this, what is happening here.
Mm-hmm.
So this is 5 kg. I can write 500, sorry, 5,000 gram. That is true.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So now both of them are equal. This is 500 gram. So now we have the same unit, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now I can just simplify it simply. Or you can do this as well for better understanding like this, right?
No, what I meant was that now I don't know what to do now. I did this part. I wrote 5,000 underneath, but now
Hmm.
I don't get how I simplify it.
Simple. You can even just divide 5,000 by 500, or simple trick like zero can be cancelled with zero. I told you this yesterday. Zero can be cancelled with zero.
Oh, I forgot about the zero part.
Yeah.
So you can have 10 and 5, and then 2 and 1. So the answer is 2 dot dot 1.
10, 5. How can you write 10, 5? 5 1 ja 5 and 5 10 ja 50. So this is 10 1.
Oh,
Hmm?
so you can't simplify that. So it's
Yeah,
10 1.
1. Good.
Okay, I think I can do the rest if I can try.
Uh-huh.
And then um, I don't know.
You can try with 5. 75 can be divisible by 5.
Um,
Why are you doing in that way? It can directly be done. 5 1 ja 5 and remaining 2, 25. So 5 5 ja 25. So 15 times 5 is 75.
um, it's harder that way.
Hmm? Okay, just see how I'm going to do this. So this is 3000 upon 750. So I have cancelled 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now I can do it in two ways. I know the table of 15. So I
Mm-hmm.
can either do it by 15 5s are 75, or I can directly do it by 5. So even 5 1 ja 5. Now how much is remained? 2 carry over. It will go here, right? 5
Mm-hmm.
1 ja 5. So
Mm-hmm.
5 out of 7 is 2, right? So 2 carry over.
Mm-hmm.
So it would become 25, isn't it?
Yep.
So 5 5s are 25. So this is 15 times 5 is equal to 75, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now this, because we divided this by 5, so we will also divide this number with 5, 300, right?
Or we
So
could do it the other way.
yeah, 5 6 are 30, and then this, then 15 1 are 15, and 15 4 are 60, 4 ratio 1.
Oh, um, okay.
Or I could also do it directly if I know the table of 15. How? See. So this is 7, and then 15 threes are 15 threes are, sorry, no, not 15 3, 15 fives are 15 fives are,
Wait, I don't understand.
15 15 times 5 is equal to what?
75.
Yeah, so 15 times, I'm dividing it by 15. 15 times 5 is 75, and then 15 times 2 is 30, and then this 10 will be written here because 30 is cancelled and this 0 is remained. Now 5 1s are 5 and 5 4s are 20. So even in that way I can find. So there are different approaches I
Yeah.
can use.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Can you give me a question like that and see if I can divide it without using the method?
Hmm.
Start with
Okay.
easy.
Okay. So you must use black pen.
Okay.
This is 600. Sorry, easy one. 600 upon 350.
So I need to simplify that. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. With
Why don't
5.
you why don't you cancel zero? Because that zero
Oh, yeah.
in both sides, that will be big easy.
Well, now that I've done that, I can do it from there. The answer is 12. 7.
Yeah.
Or 12 over 7 like that.
More true. Okay, next question I'm giving.
Um, with 2.
Good. Good job.
That's the answer.
Yes, that's the answer. Okay, more. Oh, sorry. How about this?
Um,
Hmm.
what else do I divide it with now?
No. How can it be divided? It cannot be divided by a number.
So that's the answer.
Yeah, good. So I hope you understood, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So 21, the answer for this would be 1 and 4.
For which one?
21. This question, how did you write 1 4? This would be 6,000 and then this. So how would you do that? So you may cancel
Um,
the two
you
zeros
cancel these
directly.
2.
Yes. Hmm.
So it's 4 1.
Yeah, so not 1 4. You have written 1 to 4. 1 ratio 4 is incorrect. The correct answer is 4 ratio 1. How do we read it? 4
4
ratio
ratio.
4 ratio 1.
And then the last one is
And what about this 20th question? Check this once again.
um that's 110.
110? Which one? This one.
Yeah.
I'm asking about this. And
Which
this is 110 how? Okay. 5,000 upon 500, right?
one?
So two zeros cancelled.
It's 10
So how can
1.
it be 110? So why are you doing the same mistake again and again? That would be incorrect answer, remember.
Mm-hmm.
Check 20th.
Um, 1 and 10.
20th is 1 and 10.
No, 10 and 1.
Hmm. 10 and 1. Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay, one more time. I'm just checking it. Look here. This is 4,000, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this is 800, right?
Yeah.
It would be cancelled out, right?
Uh-huh.
So 8 1 ja 8 and 8 5 ja 40. So how can it be 10 and 1?
Yeah, so I wrote 1 and 5. Oh, 5 and 1.
You wrote 1 and 5. That was incorrect.
Mm.
Understood?
Yeah.
So 5 and 1. 5 ratio 1. Read like this, not 5 and 1.
5, 5
R-
ratio 1.
Or you can say 5 to 1 or 5 ratio 1. Okay?
Yeah.
Then this 22. Okay. This is 120 upon 30. So how come it would be 40? I didn't get that. 3
Well,
4. Okay, 0. You did not cancel out. How can it be done 140? Not like that. Question number 22.
22, yeah. 120 and 30. 0, 0 is cancelled. And then 3 and 12. So we don't need the 0.
So how much it would be?
4 to 1.
Yes, 4 to 1 or 4 ratio 1. Correct. Now, what about this? Yep, 500 ml. Yes, okay. That's okay. Good. Mm-hmm. And what have you written here? 24. What is this? This is 30 and 100. What's that?
Where?
This 30 ratio 100,
No,
right?
this is 3 and 10.
3 and 10 this side. Okay. So this was 90 and this was 300 meter. Okay, 10 cancelled. And then 3 is a 9, 10 is a 30. 3 and 10. Okay, 3 ratio 10 is the answer, right? You can directly solve in this way as well without writing it like this. We can
Mm-hmm.
directly cancel from like this.
Yeah. But the numbers that you have to do twice, like here, and then you have to do it again, then these I have to write like that.
Hmm. And what about this? This is okay, very good. Good observation, 1250. And then 750, okay. So 1010 cancelled out. 25 3, 25 5 is at 125, 25 3 is anything. Okay, that's correct. Good job. Okay, so you've done this well. Now let's move.
Now it's a verbal one.
Proportion.
No, verbal one.
Okay, verbal. Okay.
I got wrong for that. Like the
Okay,
homework.
okay, homework you're talking about. Hmm. Verbal one. Which question? Question number?
The last ones. The last 5 to 6, I think. The letter ones that are from letter something.
Okay, wait. So here we go. Yeah, where have you gone? Can you see
It's,
this? Can you see this?
yeah. It looks weird, but okay. No, I can barely see it. Can you go on the CGP from Google? So that's better. It's gonna be better to see.
Hmm.
Sorry.
Hmm.
It's if you go all the way down.
This one.
Yeah.
Test
Um,
number.
24. That's number 24. um, that's 24. Yeah, this one.
Oh,
That's 10.
sorry.
Yeah, this one.
Hmm.
13, 14, 15, and 16.
13, 14, 15, and 16.
I didn't have time to do those.
Oh.
And I
You,
didn't understand the first one.
for which you did not have time? Which one?
So for these, I did not have time. Oh my god.
Can you
For
try
these,
it now?
I did not have time. And the ninth one and the 11th one and the 10th one I didn't understand. I actually understood in 10 and 8, 9, 10, 9 and 10 I didn't understand. These I didn't have time for.
So this is about observing the pattern.
Yeah.
35 and 29. This, do you see this is in decreasing order first of all?
Yes.
So now you need to find what is the difference. Can you just tell me the difference
Yeah, the
for
difference.
hmm,
Yeah, the difference is 6,
and then next number
and then the difference is 5,
and then
and it's 4,
and then
3,
now you guess the answer.
16. No, 15.
Good job. So what was the doubt?
Um, I just think I didn't observe it properly. And
Okay.
then the 10th one is +2, +3, +5,
Hmm.
+7, +10. No,
No,
+9.
11, 11, 11,
Ah,
11,
right,
21.
9 plus 2 is 11. Yeah.
Okay, write it down. You can get confused. Like first one, 2, just write it down. 2, comma, 2, comma,
Yep.
the next
2.
number, comma,
What was it?
7. So why 6? 14 plus 7 is equal to 21, right?
Yeah.
7. And then 11. Do you observe any pattern in this?
No.
Which kind of? Yep, I told you yesterday about prime number.
Yes. Yes.
Aren't these prime numbers?
Next is 13.
Next is 13, so add, then the find answer. Hmm.
Mm-hmm. And
Good.
then 11th, I did not understand. This I understood.
Again, in 11, just try to find the difference.
So
Like
+8. Yeah, +8. Take away 6. Um, take away 6. +2. 0. +4. Yeah. 8620 +4. Weird. Because it's not +4, it's take away 4.
11th question you're doing, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what pattern have you observed?
Nothing.
Hmm?
It's not really a pattern.
This type of question we had done earlier. You are forgetting that. Frog method, you know?
Oh. I think the answer is 18.
How? Explain.
So if there's more than five numbers, or if there's more five than five numbers, then what you have to do is you have to skip these,
Mm-hmm.
because if you do these, they end up to after what we need. So we have
Mm.
to skip that. We go from 12, which is plus 14, plus 16, plus our answer. So 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. That's why I think 18.
Yeah. And that second observation also is having -4 and then -4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
This one
And
I
I guess these type of questions we had practiced earlier, if you remember, when we
mm-hmm.
were doing number sequence
Yeah.
many days ago.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And I didn't understand this one either. So it goes like +4, and then it goes 0, and then it goes.
Why don't you use frog method once again if it is not working in that way?
But that's only for numbers that are above 5. Oh, this one is above 5. Um,
No. The multiplication you can also check.
what do you mean multiplication?
4 twos are 8,
The
8 twos
answer
are
is
6. 4 twos
20.
are, yeah, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, and 16 twos are, you
32.
didn't, did you understand it or not? Wait, right.
Is 20 wrong?
Yes, just see the pattern. How did you tell 20?
So 4 plus 8 is 4. So 4 plus. And then 8 and 16 is +8.
I didn't understand that. Just say again. I didn't really understand. What do you
So
mean?
32, that is correct, because 4 plus, if 4 and 8 have a +4, and then 8 and 16 +8, and then 4, 8 plus 4 is 12, so it's going to be +12. 16 plus
Oh,
12 is 6, 7, 8, 8, 38.
no, I didn't observe it in that way, by the way. I observe it in this way, like 4 and multiplied with 2. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. So here again, 16 times 2 is 32. And I can
So it could be
also,
32, it could be 38, and it could be another answer as well.
no, 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 let me check this pattern as well. So this is divided by 2, right? This is divided by 2. So when we divide 8, like 4 times 2 is 8, and then 2 times 2 is 4. So the next answer after 32 would be 1.
Mm-hmm.
So this is multiplication and division
Oh.
frog method.
Mm.
Did you observe that now?
Now I get it, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, the next one is really long. That's why I didn't have time.
Okay, go ahead with this.
Okay, I can do this in my head.
Solve all of them.
Mm-hmm. What is that?
Nothing, sorry, mistake.
So K and P and I and R are both mirror method. So that means that it's M and N, and Q. Wait,
You know mirror
yeah, it's
letters?
J and Q, so it's N and J. Yeah.
Good. So N and J.
Next is
What is mirror letter for X?
4.
Means
For what? X?
X, yeah.
C.
Good. What is the mirror letter for P?
Okay. EGE.
Are you writing all of them?
What did you say?
I asked you for what is the mirror letter for or mirror pair like for P?
P. P. I told you it's K.
Okay. Now last one.
Mm-hmm.
16.
KH.
Good job. Well done.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. So we were at proportion yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Why did you turn off your camera?
Because it's not working. I tried it, and then it's not working.
It has slept. Camera is sleeping, but you are waking.
No, it's because the way that I joined, like it, you know how sometimes it does that it just leaves me,
Hmm.
and then I have to reconnect.
Yeah,
It That's why.
we understood these things, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Proportion. So proportion is about finding more pairs, right? So in the case of 3 upon 2,
Mm-hmm.
we have written 6 upon 4. Can you tell me more examples for the proportion for 3 ratio 2?
You can have 9:6.
Good. You can write.
Yeah. So you can have um what am I doing? You can have 9:6. You can have 15:10. You can have 18:12. You can have 21:4. 15.
Okay, I got it. Okay. So you understood this is called proportion, right? You need to
Mm-hmm.
find more pairs of a ratio,
Yeah.
multiplying it with different numbers. But remember, whenever you are multiplying with a number, mm, mm, the number which you are multiplying with the first number should
Mm-hmm.
be the same the number you multiply with the second number, right?
Yep. Whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top.
Yes. Now there is another thing. So that's what we found. Okay, what is a proportion? Proportion is an equation that equates two ratios.
Mm-hmm.
The ratio of dogs and cats was 3 by 2, and the ratio of dogs and cats now is 6 by 4. So I can say like yes, 6 by 4 is equal to 3 by 2, right? Is that true or not?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is something to do with proportion. Um, so when we are saying proportion, there we are going to use different symbols, but before that we are going to understand it, like properties of proportion. So when we are going to do cross multiplication, what do we find? Check. Do we find equal data or not? Do cross multiplication. 6 multiplied with 2 is equal to 12, right?
Uh, oh, that's how you work it out.
Yes, and 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we get like 3 multiplied by 4 and 2 multiplied by 6, both are equal.
Yeah.
So proportion also follow this, like cross product property are always equal in that case too.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So this is what we found. And properties of a proportion, you may read this.
So cross product property.
Yeah.
AD means BC.
Yes, because we have seen this in an example, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I can write like in algebraic form to understand AD, like if A upon B is equal to C upon D, so it would be AD is equal to BC.
I don't understand.
Did you understand this example?
Yeah.
3 into 4 is equal to 2 into 6, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if this 3 is A,
Mm-hmm.
if this 3 is A and then this 2 is B and this 6 is C and then this 4 is D, can't I write A into B is equal to C into D? Can't I
Yes.
write this? So I can say AB is equal to, sorry, oh,
You have to
sorry,
write
sorry,
3
sorry,
divided.
sorry,
You have to
sorry.
write three.
It's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong.
Mm-hmm.
What mistake I have done, you know?
You've written times when it's actually divided.
Um, yes. So this A is 3, right? A is 3. And this 4 is how much? 4 is what? 4 is
Or D.
4 is D. So I would write A multiplied with D equal to 2 is what? Name of 2 is
2 is B.
B. And 6 is what?
D.
C. So can't I say in the same way like AD, A into D is AD,
Mm-hmm.
and B into C is BC. That's what we do in algebraic expression,
Yeah.
like, right?
Uh-huh. Yep.
So that the same thing is here. So AB, if A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, so the formula is this: AD is equal to BC. Means AD would be multiplied, and then this B and C would be multiplied, right?
Yeah.
And now let's understand there are two different names. So this is called means. The which part, numerator or denominator, you know that?
Mm, it means
This
the
is
denominator.
yes, this is numerator and this is,
Denominator.
so this denominator is called means, right?
Uh-huh.
And this is numerator. This is called extremes, right?
Why?
This is just name, not why name. Okay.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
All right, now read this.
Um, property double proportion. Let's make sense of the cross product property. For any numbers A, B, C, and D. Um, what is that?
It says like AB is equal to CD. Hmm. That's what
Mhm,
you understand, right?
mhm.
Till here. Now, what if we multiply D into this number and D into this number? Won't it be same?
We can say that part again.
Okay, let's understand it with the example. For example, this is 2 upon 3. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and this is 4 upon
Six.
6, right?
Yep.
Now, what I am going to do, I would write 2 upon 3 this side, and I would write 4 upon 6 this side. Now, I am going to multiply it with 3 this side, so I will also multiply it with 3 this side, right? Would it affect? It should not affect because I am doing the same kind of operation both
No,
sides,
I
right?
don't get it.
You don't get that?
No.
Okay. For example, this 4 is
Mm-hmm.
equal to, let's say, 2 plus 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if I multiply 2 into it, I should also multiply 2 into this number. Is that true?
Yeah.
So whatever I'm doing this side, I should balance it doing this side as well. So that's
Yep.
what we are doing. If we are multiplying 3 this side, then we cannot miss this side. This side also we should give 3.
Mm-hmm.
Did you understand?
Yes.
So same thing is being done. So it is showing like if you're multiplying D here and D this side, it means this data and this data both are balanced, right?
Yep.
Yes. So this time we have multiplied with D. So this D and D would be cancelled, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this would become what? AD upon B is equal to C, right?
I don't understand with letters. I need like numbers.
No problem. You may understand it by number. Even that in that case, you will be able to understand it. This is simply the property and nothing else.
Mm-hmm.
So let us take the same example of the number. So if 2 upon 3 is equal to what? 4 upon 6, right?
Mm-hmm.
I did 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 and then 4 upon 6 multiplied with,
24.
sorry, 3. Because this side I put 3 and this side also I should put 3, right?
Oh yeah.
So this is cancelled, right?
No.
Why?
The answer is two to that.
Yes, the answer is 2 there, right?
And then in the next one, it's 18 times 4, which I do not know.
Not 18 times 4. The above one will be multiplied with this one. Because if there is no number, we can write 1. That's what you know.
What?
You're getting super confused. Wait, let me bring you
The
to
answer is
white.
8.
No, no, you're getting super confused. So see here. If I'm writing, sorry, what was the number I forgot? 2 upon 3, right? This
Huh?
side 2 upon 3 and this side we had
4
written 4 upon 6.
Mm-hmm.
Understand once again. If I am writing 3 this side, multiplying from myself, I'm multiplying it with 3.
Huh?
So it would be injustice if we are not multiplying this number with 3, right?
Yeah.
So let us multiply both sides. So when you are multiplying this number, remember the rule. Multiplication would not go in this way. You cannot multiply these two numbers. You must
Mm-hmm.
multiply the above part because this 3 is individual and 3 means I can also write 3 upon 1.
Mm-hmm.
So if you are getting confused, you can put 1 here, right?
Okay, but what I do is to solve 2 upon 3
Mhm.
into 3. I do 3 divided by 3, which is 1.
Mm-hmm.
1 times 2, which is 2, so the answer is 2.
Yes. That is also okay. That method is also okay. So why were you saying this side 18? How can it be 80,
So,
18?
because what you do first is 3 divided by 6, which is 2, times 4, which is 8.
2 times 4, which is 8.
The
3 1
answer
ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, and 3 2 ja 6. So
is,
2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. This is 2.
or if we do it your way, 3 times 4 is 12,
Hmm.
divided by 6 is
Hmm.
2.
Yeah, even that is okay. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I wanted to show that both party would be same. So even you can do in this simple way, like you can write above part above and this part here. So this side is 3, the 4 into 3, and then this side 6. Okay. So this is simple, like uh 2 3 are 6 upon 3, and 4 3 are 12 upon 6. So even in that case, you may have like 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12. So 2 and 2 both are equal, right? 2 is equal to 2, right?
Mhm.
Did you understand that?
Yeah.
So this property I was just showing you, like if you are multiplying with the number that will be cancelled and there wouldn't be any effect on that number. So this is what the two ways we have seen here. Either it can be divided, multiplied with d, or it can be multiplied with mm, d in this case. Okay, so the number would not be affected. Let's understand more. No worry. Mm, Reciprocal property. Do you know what a reciprocal is?
No.
Firstly, read this.
So, reciprocal property. If 3 over 2 is equivalent to 6 quarters, then 2 over 3 equals to 4 quarters. Can you see it? If yes, can you think of why it works?
Reciprocal of a number is just opposite of that number which is given. So 3 upon 2 will be flipped and it would be 2 upon 3. Did you notice that?
I thought that's called commutative law.
Sorry?
That's called commutative law.
Commutative law is something slightly different than that. I'm talking about reciprocal simply.
Mm,
So reciprocal is something to do with this type of questions like what is the reciprocal of 1 upon 2? That is 2 upon 1.
um,
Or I can also call it 2, right?
yeah.
So what is the reciprocal of 3?
1 upon 3.
Yes, good job. What is the reciprocal of 3 upon 2?
2 upon 3.
What is the reciprocal of 6 upon 4?
4 upon 6.
Very good. So this is also true. You know why?
Why?
Because when you multiply it with 2, we get 4. When you multiply with 2, we get 6.
Well,
And this time also it was same. It
oh,
was same, right?
yeah.
Yes. So this has shown the same thing. Like 7 upon 2, then x upon 6. Solve for x. What is x? Can you find that?
My
If I
video's
hide this.
my video's
Sorry?
working. My video's working.
Yes. And you are very happy to see that.
Yeah.
I can see your happiness. Your video was died. Can you tell me the answer for x?
It's 21. 21.
That's 21. How did you find it?
2 times 3 is 6. So that means
Mm-hmm.
7 times 3 is 21. 21.
Yeah, good job. And you can also solve it with this method, cross multiplication method, which we had done earlier. And this is also part of algebra. So this one, like How we have done in this? This is called cross multiplication method.
Yeah, 6 times 7 is 42. So 2 times something should equal 42.
Yes. So this is 21 times 2 is equal to 42.
Mhm.
We have just divided this 42 by 2. So that
Did
is
you make this?
kind of what?
The whole PPT.
Yeah.
Oh.
How about another example? Just to go through this, and in the same way we are going to do this, but you will be able to do it directly as well, right?
From what?
What is the answer?
The answer is
The answer is now the answer is quite complicated.
it's not complicated.
It's complicated.
Look, so what you do is instead of writing it 7 over 2, you can just change it to 7 2 7 over and then equals to 12 over x, and then it's easier because then it actually works. Then you can do times by 6. Then you have to do it this times by 6, which is 42. So the answer should be 42.
But that is not the question. You have changed the question.
Ah,
Uh-uh. Now what would you do?
I don't know.
Okay, so see here. This is what is happening. Now try to understand by your own way, then I'll make you understand what is happening.
I don't know. It's like 7x.
S- Cross multiplication method.
I don't know yet.
So we have used the same method which we used in this last example, cross multiplication method. In this example we use, right? So it was 7 into 6. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. And 2 multiplied with x, 2x, right? Till here you understood or not?
Mm-hmm.
You understood till here or
No.
not? You are struggling in algebra thing.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever we are writing this number like 7 upon 2 is equal to x upon 6. So this is called in division. The upon part is called in division. Do you know that?
Oh, pardon?
Like this part, the one which is written as denominator is
Yes.
in division. Do you know that? We divide.
Yes.
So
Yes.
when we keep this number this side, it goes in multiplication. Do you know that?
Yes.
And when you keep this number this side, it would also go in multiplication. Do you know that?
Yes.
Okay. So same thing we are doing. So multiplication, like this is 2 will be multiplied with x and 6 will be multiplied with 7. So 7 into 6 would be equal to what? 2 into x, right?
What do you?
Cross multiplication, what we understood earlier.
Mm-hmm.
This to this and this to this. Today's
Uh,
class is going to be heavier on you.
uh, can you do different topic?
But this is part of your syllabus. You want to do it later?
Uh-huh.
Okay, try to understand one more time. 2 upon 3 is equal to how much? 4 upon 6. Is that true?
Mm-hmm.
And I need to do this. Cross multiplication would be equal. That's what we understood earlier. So this would be multiplied with what? 6 would be multiplied with what?
12.
So it would be 12. And then this would be what?
12.
12. So that is always equal. We know it already, right? It means it means 2 into 6 is equal to 4
12.
into 3. 4 into 3, right?
Yep.
4 into 3. So cross multiplication is always equal, right? That's what we know as property, right?
I understand this.
Yes. So now we have done the same thing here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this both sides are equal, right?
Wait. I've already understood this. This is the question that I said 21 for. If you
Yes.
did the next slide that I didn't understand.
So for understanding the next slide, we are working on this. So
Because
you
what I did
understand?
this is I did times by 3, which is that, and I have to do 7 times 3, which is 21.
Yes, yes. Now I'm asking one more question so that you can understand next slide. 2x is equal to 42. It means 2x means 2 into x, right?
Mm-hmm.
2 multiplied with x. Is that
Yeah,
true? So
yeah.
if we are keeping this number this side, won't it go in division?
Yeah, it'll be x equals to 42 divided by 2.
Can I write this?
Um,
Yes, I can.
yeah.
2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. So the x is equal to 21, right? Mm-hmm. Or not?
Yes.
So same. Now come to the next slide, you will understand. Don't forget this part. This is very important. That's what we have done. So this number has gone in just division, right?
Yep.
Okay, now you'll be able to understand the next thing. Mm, da, da, da. What is this? Now see what is happening here. Try to observe. If you are able to understand, then you
The
can.
answer
Otherwise,
the answer
mm,
should be 42.
the answer should not be 42. The answer should be 24 upon 7. That is correct. Okay, now let's understand. So what we have done in previous example, we will follow the same method. So firstly, we'll be doing cross multiplication. That's what we already understood, right? That is
So
equal.
2 times 12 is equivalent to 7 times x.
Yes, 7 times x is equivalent to what? 2 times 12, right?
Yeah.
So I can say 2 times 12 is equivalent to 7 times x. So I can write it 7x, right?
Yes.
So 12 and 2, like
24.
24. And
Wait.
then this thing would go in division, isn't it?
So it'll be x equals to 24 divided by 7.
So that is the answer. This is the answer,
Oh, yeah.
right? So the value for x is 24 into 7. We can also find it in decimal, but there is no need, right?
Yeah. Mm.
Can you solve using reciprocal property? If yes, would it be easier? The reciprocal property.
Yes, but I wouldn't get the same answer.
Hmm, okay. So this is what reciprocal property we are going to use. But little thing we have changed in this. You see, 7 upon 2 is equal to 12 upon x. 7 upon x minus 1. This is another question, right?
What?
Hmm?
Can you say that again?
This question was a little easy, but this one is little tricky because this side's have x minus 1 and then
Can we,
x.
can we do different topic? I don't want to do more hard.
Okay. This was your appetite for today.
Mm-hmm.
No problem.
We can
That's,
either do different topic or stop.
yeah, I can. Where is your cat? I want to see your cat.
Oh, it's downstairs.
She's sleeping.
Yeah, but downstairs. I don't know.
I'm missing her.
Well, you can't see her though because the camera's not working.
Okay, so verbal reasoning we have done, and then okay,
Can we do
non-verbal.
NVR today?
Yes, non-verbal. Non-verbal. How many topics we covered last time? Just tell me which one you know and which one you do not.
Yeah, I'm not gonna write it. I'm just gonna tell you.
Sheeps. Which one shall we begin with today?
Complete the pair. Page 36.
Page number.
36.
Complete the pair. Okay. Wait. Mhm. 36. Pairs and series. Yeah, that's it. Let's dive in. Yeah, here we go. Are you there?
Yep. So I just couldn't see it.
You,
There we go.
you can't see?
No, I couldn't see it, but now I can see it. In these questions, you've got to be able. I can't see it now. Yeah, you've got to be able to spot how one figure changes to make another one. There might be a few changes to notice, but don't worry, just look at them all at a time. Work out how the first figure turns into the second. To complete the fact question, you'll be given a pair of figures. You've got to work out which element and or combination of elements changes in the first figure to make the second figure. Then you've got to change the third figure in exactly the same way to get the answer. The first two figures might look very different from the third figure and the options. Remember that you're not looking for the option that's most similar to the first pairs of shapes.
What did you understand in this?
So you get three pictures, and so you've got three pictures, and these two pictures will somehow be related in somehow, like this one has a line and the line changes to that. So that means that that's one change. So if this is the first shape, this is the second shape, then that means that maybe in the third shape the line's like that. So in one of the answers, the answer that has a circle with the other type of diagonal this way, then that must be the answer. You take that. So you have to find the figures that are the same on these two and how they relate.
Right. Good. Okay, so let's.
You might only need to spot one change. In either complete the pair questions, only one thing will change between the first and the second figure. Method 1. Look at the element that changes. First, work out what happens to the first figure to make the second figure. Then do the same thing to the third figure to find the answer. So the first one is facing up, then it's facing down. So the only difference is that the arrow that's facing up needs to be facing down. So the next answer could be C and it could be B. But how I know that it's C is because the color in the first one is white, in the second it's also white. So in the third one it's grey, so in the fourth one it should be grey.
What is your answer?
C.
Read the
Yeah.
explanation and match
In
with
this
your.
in this example, the first figure is rotated 180 degrees to give the second figure. If you rotate the first figure 180 degrees, you get the answer option C. Next, the answer should be B. Because first of all, it's supposed to be swapped. The bottom goes top, the top goes bottom. And the only one that looks correct in that is either E or B, but they should be swapped. E is not swapped, it's just the color different. So the answer is B. And in A, the top one is hexagon. In C, it's on the left hand side. On D and E, the colors are different, so it must be B. Yeah.
Correct answer.
The shapes in the first figure swap places to make the second figure. If you swap the shapes in the third figure, you get option B as the answer. For some questions, you'll have to spot more than one change. For most complete the pair questions, more than one thing will change between each pair. Method 2. Narrowing down the options. If more than one thing changes, use each change to rule out some impossible answers. Okay. Um. This is easy. So it's not that. Not that. The answer is C. Because first of all, oh no,
Yep.
because in question A, the first if you look at the diagonals of the how the shading is, then it faces that way, and then it goes that way. So in the third figure, it's facing that way. So it should be facing that way. That means it can't be A, can't be B, and it can't be E. In C and D, the only difference is that they need to be swapped around and they need to be like up and the color needs to be different. This is black, this is black, this is white, this is black, so this the next should be white. It shouldn't be black.
Yeah. Just so you may read this as well.
Yeah. So small shapes. The small shapes at the top of the first figure move to the bottom of the second figure, and the small shape at the bottom move to the top. This means at the answer This means that the answer must have a square at the top and a triangle at the bottom. This rules out B and D. Shading. The small shapes change from black to white. This ruled out A. Hatching. The hatching rotates 90 degrees. This means the answer must be C. Yes. Something sometimes the two pairs will look very different. The pairs don't have to look similar. Sometimes they look completely different. All that matters is that the same change happens between the two figures in each pair. Okay. Not B. It's a wait. Not B. Wait, I did that wrong. Never mind.
Anti-clockwise it has went and then color has changed in the circle. The above part has. Okay. Did you find your answer?
Not yet. Yeah, E. Yeah, my answer is D.
Okay, can you explain the reason? Where have you gone? Prisha, Prisha.
Oh, when I was opening my pen, I think I pressed the mic button. So I'm just thinking of how I can explain it. When I so what you should first do is in the first one, the first two shapes, the shading moves around. No, the shape moves around twice. So if the love heart is here, then
Clockwise
the
or
love
anti-clockwise?
clockwise. The love heart should be at the top. So it's not at the top here. It's not at the top here. And then next, so it's not that. It's not that.
So it has moved anti-clockwise, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now read this.
Um. Even in the pairs look very. Even if the pairs look very different, think about each element that changes one by one. Position. The small shapes without shading move one place anti-clockwise, ruling out B and D. Shading. The three different shadings of the small shapes move one place clockwise around the group, and the answer is E.
Okay. Now coming to exercise. No, he's still the part. Okay. Right.
Um. So can you cover up the answer?
Cover up. No, this is exercise, right? Okay. All right. All right. All right. Okay. Close your eyes. Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay. So sometimes there will be a big change between the first figure and the second figure of the pair. Okay. It's not C.
I like this question. 1, 2, 3, 4. One,
I
two,
think
three,
that the
four, five.
answer is
Three,
B.
four, five, 6. Explain the reason.
Uh, um. So first of all, if you count the vertices of that, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and
Mm-hmm.
there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, meaning
Mm-hmm.
6 take away 1 lines. So
Mm-hmm.
in this, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means there should be 7 lines, 7 straight, one of those. So that means that the first, so it's and first, so if it should, we can write 7 up there. And if the color in the middle is gray, then it should all is black, like it's black here. Then it should always be black. So it can't be D, it can't be C, can't be A. So it's either E and it's either B. And I think it's E because, and after there should be 7 dots or lines. This one has 8 dots and like whatever. This one has 7, and we should have 7 because this one has 8 in total, and 8 take away 1 is 7. So it should be E.
Good job. You're observing it well.
Mm. Can we stop now?
Let us practice the question, then we can. And this part, whatever it is saying, let's check if it is the same perspective or not.
Okay. Reading this
Mm-hmm.
or this?
Let's read, like, if anything different, then
Okay. But the answer is C.
answer is E. You told it
Yeah,
right. Yeah.
okay. Shading. All the circles in the second figure have the same shading as the circle in the first figure. This means that the answer must have only black circles, which rule out A, C, and D. Number of small circles. In the second figure, there are 5 small circles. This is one less than the number of sides than the white shape has. The white shape in the third figure has 8 sides, so the answer must have 7 small circles. The answer is E.
Hmm. Answer is D.
No, E. Can we stop now?
Practice questions. Just this and then we'll go. Only these three questions.
Can I do that for homework?
Are you that much tired?
Uh,
Only three questions, Prisha.
okay. Mm, I think it's D for the first one.
I also observed the same. Correct.
D. I think the answer is B.
Good job. Mhm.
I think the answer is A.
Wow. All correct. Okay, so now you're tired. Let's wrap up the things. So let me give you homework. Mm. So let me go with Envier. Which book we were doing?
This one.
This one. This one. Practice book. What topic? The same topic.
Yeah.
What is the time in your country now?
Right now, the time. Oh my god. 1 second. Right now, the time is 9. No, 8:22.
Okay. Which topic? I will find here.
Find complete the series.
No, we are not having that topic, I guess.
Oh, maybe that's in spatial.
Complete the shapes.
Maybe that's in spatial. So if you go back, if you the one next to it, this one.
Spatial. What time do you sleep?
9. 9 or sometimes 9:30. Yeah, this is just test.
This is about tests only, the mixed test, I guess, right?
Yeah.
How much we had done in this?
0.
I guess the topic wise is better because we have a lot to do. hmm So just try doing
Maybe
something.
if you don't press that, if you oh no.
Sorry, extra.
No, I was gonna say if you press this.
Which one? Non-verbal reasoning. That would also have test, I guess. Same.
Maybe yeah, I think that probably has test.
In this, have you done any or
No.
none?
No test. Oh,
Uh,
so I
let's
guess
check. Let's check of test number one if you can see and if you are able to go with that, then we may check that too. Otherwise, um, are you able
wait, this
to?
is right. Yeah, this is
Sorry.
fine. Th- this one is what we've been doing.
Yep.
You get 2 and you have to do it with that.
Can you
So
do this in
I
homework?
don't know what that is.
Okay. All right. What about this?
Yeah, that's complete the grid. I can do that. Yeah.
This test number two
No, no, no. This.
or the whole page?
Yeah,
So I guess this side from 6 to 10, can you do?
yeah.
Okay, wait a moment. Take a screenshot, like this half
Yeah,
party.
that's what I was doing.
Risa, do you have any music class?
No.
You're a good singer.
How did you know?
Last time you sang a song,
Yeah.
I
Right
thought
now,
you.
right now I'm gonna sleep early. I'm really tired today.
I just asked. I didn't say to say that you may sing. You may take a screenshot of this.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite singer?
I don't know any.
You don't know any.
Taylor Swift.
Okay. So this time I guess this one also test two you can do, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
First page of tester.
First page. Wait. And this time in mathematics, like proportion is left. Mm, More advanced part. So I'll be giving you a square and cube because you'll be having time. In this, can you solve any? In this,
Yeah, that's easy. Yeah. The first
which
page.
one? This page up to 9. And what
Yeah.
about this? This page,
I
next
don't.
page.
I don't know.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So that's all, Prisha. Only
Mhm.
these 3 pages I have shared.
Yeah.
And yesterday I told you about cube and those squares. I'll be sharing another worksheet, additional worksheet for that because today you are not getting any homework from that ratio and proportion topic, right?
Yeah.
So you will be doing some questions related to cube root and square root.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.